$1.3 billion Indian multinational who is operating into automotive and ancillary space for the last 60 years. And our operating model starts from manufacturing of automotive components, and we have 28 business lines as of now. We supply mainly to the OEMs, so around 90% of our business goes to the OEMs, which are the likes of Maruti, Honda, Tata, Mahindra, and so on. We supply to all the OEMs in India, irrespective of two-wheeler, four-wheeler, commercial vehicles, and off-road. And globally also, we have operations in Europe, in Southeast Asia, and part of South America. So this is how we are, structured. Technology solution ranges from, ERP to digital core to digital platform to supplier communication systems to office communication systems to collaboration tools to industry 4.0 platforms and so on and so forth. We also have a digital twin like PLM, product lifecycle management. Basically, PLM is used for customer product development lifecycle management. And we also have 8 engineering centers and 1 advanced engineering center in Pune, where we use a lot of sophisticated CAD and CAM design tools and computer-aided engineering tools to support the customer delivery. We have a lot of spend on R&D and have filed so far 160 patents globally. That is the strength of UNO Minda. We have, mobile applications for our management right now. All sorts of approvals, all sorts of financial approvals, operational approvals, all sorts of commercial approvals happen in the mobile app. We also have mobile app for our intranet based systems. Say for an example, the employee leaves, the employee attendance, regularization, pay slips. Everything is available in the mobile application. You can also even you can put your claims and reimbursements into your mobile phone. That is how the entire HR gamut of services is part of the mobility services. Now this year our major focus is introduction of mobile phones or mobile based applications for the shop floor. So shop floor, when I say that, means we are trying to integrate all our manufacturing processes, our manufacturing systems, our manufacturing workflows into the shop, which are applicable mainly in the shop floor into a mobile phone. And the second initiative we have is a mobile application for the supply chain. So supply chain means whenever we are delivering materials to the customers, or we receive materials from our suppliers. Both cases we will be introducing mobile applications. Wherever we will have the alerts, we will have the workflow approvals, we will have invoice verification, any kind of tracking of logistics. All these applications will be available in mobile phone. So our major focus this year is on the shop floor and supply chain. And till now we have achieved a lot of good mobility solutions for the management and the the HR area, so which is employee related area. So we already have success factor in the organization, so which is tightly integrated with our SAP HR, and all the all the associates can do their trainings, that can do their learning and development, to their all the employee self service through mobile application. Key challenges will be adoption. See, as you understand, automobile falls under manufacturing, and ancillary is a tier 1 supplier industry. So that means the IT savviness or the IT inclusiveness is slightly on a not on the higher side with respect to OEMs or the other industries like BFSI or insurance or retail or FMCG or something like that. So adoption, I will say, is one of the major challenge. Second is always getting cash flow or working capital free to do lot of projects in IT. That is another challenge we have, and not only we, and it's the entire industry is having that. And as you know, last 2 years the entire industry is struggling with a big downturn, and then now this COVID-19 has created a new downturn for us. So this is the major issue. Getting the capital released for new investments and new initiatives is another big challenge. And the third challenge will be, I will say, the skill building of the people. So skill building of your IT employees and skill building of your employees, both will be a major challenge in terms of, I will say, driving the initiatives in the organization. So I think these are the three areas where most of the issues will fall into. As you know, in India, we have around 69 plants, and outside India, we have around 8 plants. So we have around 77 plants as of now. And this year, we are going to integrate some more units. So we are going to touch around 100 plants by end of this year. The major implication of IoT has been done in 4 of the units, and some of the other units we have done some pilots as well. The results are very good, and one of the units we are coming up in near Pune, where the entire factory will be completely digitized and digitalized in terms of starting from the gate in to gate out. Every process will be under Industry 4.0, whether it is a warehouse, whether it's a assembly line, whether it's assembly, the manufacturing component lines, or all other robotic lines. Every will be thing will be connected with the IoT platform. So IoT we have already embarked the journey upon, and few of the units we are doing some POCs right now. As far as blockchain is concerned, I think we are taking some time. As IoT is maturing in India now, blockchain is yet to mature, especially in the manufacturing industry, where blockchain is very successful is banking and financial industry. But for the manufacturing, I think it is the use cases are not there as such as of now. But future is very, very bright. We believe that IoT, blockchain, and artificial intelligence, supported by big data analytics, this is going to disrupt the entire industry in next 5 to 7 years. We have various committees and various forums where we monitor the progress of our IT initiatives and try to find out the actual benefits which were defined before the projects, how to achieve that, and how we are progressing towards that. So we have committees, we have forums, and we have the single point of contacts who drive all these initiatives within the function and within IT. So this is how we are structured. In terms of our strength, we are around 60-65 people in IT as white collar, and around say for an example, around 40-45 or 50 around people will be there in the support staff, which is outsourced. That is how we are organized. We also have services like cloud. We are one of the few companies who have most of the applications available in the cloud, except our SAP ERP, which is on-premise solution, and also the PLM is on-premise because it's a very heavy application. Rest all the applications are in the cloud. So we are a cloud-ready organization, or you say cloud-focused organization in terms of our applications landscape. The people strength I have already shared with you. We cater to around 4,000 white collars in the organization across the globe. UNO Minda has done a POC in 4 locations, and it is running successfully well. We are predominantly trying to capture the OLE, OEE, machine downtime, machine uptime, productivity, safety, quality currently through the IoT systems. In future, we will be having IoT systems from gate to gate, which is meaning from starting from your receiving to dispatch to the customers. Everywhere the IoT will be integrated and involved. And I think we will be able to reduce our workforce and also bring in better efficiency, productivity, and quality and safety in the entire process. Whenever we around 2 out of 5, if you grade me at this point of time, uh, although the industry is far, far behind us, but still we have a lot of things to catch up in future. So I think we will rate ourselves around 2 out of 5 in terms of our IoT adoption in the business. Almost 1.5 months we have zero business, and not only we, our customers are also having zero business, our suppliers having zero business. Everything is at a zero condition at this point of time. But there are opportunities we are looking at. In fact, yesterday also government announced a lot of 20 lakh crore of worth of package for the MSME and the enterprise business. We fall under enterprise obviously, and I believe we will be trying to capture the opportunities which are going to come up in future, and try to leverage the benefits out of it. 2021 IT agenda is shop floor automation, ease of use for our employees and associates in the shop floor and supply chain area, and try to digitize and focus more on process automation and productivity improvement. These are the areas we will be working this year, especially because in the finance and HR we have done a lot of digitalization. You will be surprised to know that we have implemented tools like for supply chain financing in finance. We have tools like for bank and cash management, forex management. We have digitized all the areas.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.